Hey guys, today I am making a review of the Aorus X5 V7, and if my voice in this video is kind of weird, it's because I'm sick, so yeah.
Is there another box inside the box?
Yeah.
So how many boxes are we at now?
4?
Okay, 4 boxes and counting.
This box is really interesting. There's like little orange parts and stuff, and it feels really nice. I think it's powder coated. Put this to the side. Okay, here's the Aorus. Have to be very, very careful with it. I'll put it here. What is this? A quick start guide, warranty card, not sure about that. Okay, I'll just put this here. USB flash drive. Laptop feet for better cooling, for gaming. And here is the monstrous power supply. It's huge. It weighs about 0.3 kilos. This is the power supply compared to my Mac. It's like a quarter of the size.
Wow, it's huge.
Yeah, and it's about a quarter of the weight.
Wow.
Is there anything else? No, there's nothing else. It's really nicely packaged in a nice sleeve. It's quite heavy though. So this is a laptop from the top, from the back, and the bottom if you want to see that. One thing I have noticed very quickly is it attracts fingerprints quite a lot. I quite like the design of it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Oh, a really, really nice microfiber cloth on the inside. Oh, what is this? What's that? It has something on the inside that's magnetic. Okay, this is good. I'll turn that. So this is a Pantone color, what's it called? Color managed, I'll just say, display. So here's the inside of the laptop. It's really nice. This trackpad is Windows Precision, which is nice, and it's very, very, very smooth. I think it may be gloss.
So what kind of ports does it have? Can you show all the ports on each side?
Oh, yeah. It has one mini display port, one Thunderbolt 3, one USB 3.0 Type-C, headphone out, mic in, HDMI, and 2 USB 3s, and one SD card.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go boot it up now.
Yep.
During the process of plugging it in, we discovered that it had this connector. It is, I think one from, I'm not sure, I think it's somewhere in Asia.
It could be US connector.
No, I don't think this is US.
Okay.
We had to find an adapter, and now we are currently proceeding and plugging it in, if it can actually fit in the adapter. So it turns out, in my excitement to actually turn this computer on, I forgot to record the booting up sequence, so we'll just start with the setup now. I think it's 4K. 4K, right?
Sign in here, Wi-Fi there. Go ahead.
Okay, so Cortana is talking right now.
Using the keyboard on phone. If you'd like to.
Can you skip this? This is really annoying. I've actually never seen this. So, along the way, we have experienced a few technical difficulties. We have had to restart the computer about 4 times now, but hopefully I don't get any settings wrong this time. But it's back now? Okay. So it's... Oh gosh. If you can look here right now, and look at all this bloatware that's installed. Killer Control Center. Okay, what's this? Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is fine. This is the actual speed fan controller and stuff, but it comes with XSplit Gamecaster, XSplit Broadcaster, Cyberlink powered DVD, Aorus Fusion, which is for the keyboards, RGB, Adobe Reader. A lot of it's bloatware. Most of it. But let's see what we can do in command and control. So you can change your overclocks, your fan speed, your... what's that? It's quite a small thing. Wait, is this screen touchscreen?